Hi everyone, today we're gonna work on the math. It's preschool math. It's not that heavy. So, salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bande ko nusubuza kulandanga. Lelo to travailler na biso na mathématiques. Eza mathématiques mo école primaire. So guys, we're gonna work on the whole number. So the decimal is gonna be the other part, okay? So we're gonna deal with addition, soustraction, multiplication, division, okay? So we're gonna deal with this. So in case you don't get it, don't worry. You watch again, you should be okay, all right? So there's an easy way we can do this. We can bring the calculator, okay? I can just click here and then we can do this, okay? We can do this easily. Okay? I can just put 2, 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 4 equal. That's the answer. Okay, it's 3, 3, 6, right? That's our, oh, sorry. So that's our answer. That's the answer, okay? So, but this is not the way of doing it. I want to show you guys how you can do it, okay? So, what we're gonna do here is close this. So we're gonna whatever it is. Now, the way we can do this, we're gonna rewrite this. Okay? So we're gonna write here 2. Now we're gonna rewrite here 1, 2, 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 equal what? 6. 2 plus 1 equal what? 3. 1 plus 2 equal what? 3. It's the same thing. So we're gonna get 336. Okay? That's the answer. All right? So we're gonna do this here. Okay? So let me rid this. Same thing. I'm gonna bring the okay. So if we do 312 plus 24 equal 336. Okay. Now if we rewrite this here 3 1 2 first, and we're gonna rewrite 24. Okay, we write 4 here first and 2 right here, and we add 0 right here plus. Okay, so 4 plus 2 equal 6. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 0 plus 3 equal 3. The answer is 336. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next exercise. Okay, so we're gonna do same thing here. So I'm gonna bring the calculator. So we're gonna do 312 plus 24 plus 1 equal 337. Now, what we can do here, we're gonna rewrite this 3, 1, and 2. we're gonna rewrite this one here. 4 right here, 2 right here, and we write this one right here, and then we're gonna add 0, 0, 0 plus and put there. So some of you may say, wait a minute, why are you adding that 0? In reality, I don't have to add it, but in some situation, in case you don't see well or you don't understand, that's why I added. So what are we gonna do here? 1 plus 4 equal 5. 5 plus 2 equal 7. Okay, so this is what I have done. This is what I did. 1 plus 4 plus 2 equal 7. Okay, that's what give me that. Okay, so 0 plus 2 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 3 equal 3. That's what we got here. Okay, equal 7. Okay, so that's how we do it. So I know the video is not that long, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.